A busy day at the clinic. Many patients are waiting to see the doctor. The clinic is very busy today. I have. We have. He, she has. You have. They have. I have a headache. Maria has a headache. I have an earache. Ahmed has an earache. I have a stomachache. Sam has a stomachache. I have a backache. Linda has a backache. I have a toothache. David has a toothache. I have a cough. Ken has a cough. I have a sore throat. Sarah has a sore throat. I have a runny nose. Leo has a runny nose. We have a fever. Anna and Peter have a fever. Tom is very sick. He has a headache, a sore throat, and a cough. He has a runny nose and a fever. Tom has the flu. Lisa is sick too. She has a headache, a sore throat, and a cough. She has a runny nose. Lisa has a cold. Look at the symptoms of Tom and Lisa. Both have a headache, both have a sore throat, both have a cough, both have a runny nose. Only Tom has a fever. Tom has the flu, but Lisa has a cold. The doctor is very busy today.